Hey there, my awesome Diversity and Cinema Academy fam. I'm Theta Catalan, and welcome back to another thrilling episode of Shooting a Short Film by Yourself. Throughout this series, I've set out on the exciting challenge of creating a short film entirely on my own, and I'm ecstatic to have you join me every step of the way. If you missed the first 3 episodes of this series, we talked about whether you should shoot a short film all by yourself, brainstorm some fantastic short film ideas, and in episode 3, we outlined a short screenplay using Celtic's beat sheet. So be sure to check out those videos if you haven't already. Now for today's video, we're getting to the essence of developing a character for a short screenplay. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop on all things filmmaking, screenwriting, and video creation. So let's get started. You may be wondering what exactly is character development, why it is so important, and what essential elements must be present in a character breakdown. Well, let's explore these concepts further. Character development is the art of breathing life into your story through your characters. It's the process of creating multi-dimensional, relatable characters who resonate with your audience. But why is this so important? Well, characters are the emotional core of your narrative. When done right, character development can captivate your audience, making them invest in your story on a deeply personal level. Now, a character breakdown should include personality traits, motivations, and the character arc. Now, personality traits refer to the distinctive and enduring qualities that define a character's behavior, reactions, and overall disposition. These traits can include attributes such as introversion, extroversion, kindness, honesty, stubbornness, optimism, and many more. They shape how a character interacts with the others and responds to the challenges presented in the story. Motivations are the underlying reasons that drive a character's actions, choices, and desires in a narrative. They can be influenced by a character's past experiences, goals, fears, or external circumstances. Understanding a character's motivations is crucial for creating believable and relatable characters. Motivations provide the why behind a character's behavior and decisions. A character arc represents the transformation or development of a character throughout the story. It's the journey a character undergoes both internally and externally. Character arcs can take various forms, such as positive growth, where a character becomes a better version of themselves, negative growth, where a character deteriorates, or a combination of both. The character's arc is essential for driving the story's emotional and thematic elements. It can lead to personal growth, change in beliefs, or a shift in the relationships with others. To help with the development of a character, I use a dossier. A character dossier is a comprehensive guide to understanding who they are. It's your ticket to diving deep into their psyche, exploring their quirks, fears, dreams, and the ways they evolve throughout the story. Now, let's see how you can develop a character using this fill-in-the-blank template. You will list their name, age, background, occupation, at least 4 of their personality traits, and at least 4 of their motivations, and their character arc, which is who they are at the beginning of the story, the middle of the story, and at the end of the story. Now, let's break down the character description of my short film, The Cost of Silence, so you can see it in action. For the sake of time, this is an abbreviated version of my character dossier. Each of the personality traits, motivations, and the character arc would be written in depth, but I kept it short here, okay? However, I did provide an example in each section so you can see how to expound on each bullet point. Okay, so here we go. In The Cost of Silence, Clarissa Johnson is our protagonist. She's 45 years old. Her background, she's African American. Her occupation, she's a pharmaceutical company executive. Her personality traits, first, she's highly intelligent. Clarissa is exceptionally educated and possesses a sharp analytical mind. She is well versed in pharmaceuticals and corporate strategies, making her a valuable asset to the company. So that's how you expand it. Now I'm gonna give you some bullet points, some more in that section, which is she's ambitious, calculating, charismatic, and pragmatic, and you just expand on those, right? Now her motivations is financial sex. Clarissa is motivated by financial gain and the desire to keep her pharmaceutical company profitable. She's willing to protect the company's interests at all costs. Okay, and so some other bullets is career advancement, reputation management, secrecy. Those are some of her other motivations. Okay, now her character arc is, at the start, Clarissa is driven by ambition and willing to cover unethical practices. However, a harrowing experience triggers a moral crisis. Her arc revolves around the internal struggle between ambition and conscience. Other elements you can add to your dossier are details about the character's past, upbringing, family, and significant life events. This information helps in shaping the character's motivations and behavior. Information about the character's relationships with other characters such as family, friends, or enemies helps writers develop complex interpersonal dynamics. Also, unique behaviors, habits, and quirks that make the character distinctive and memorable, the character's core beliefs, values, and principles which can influence their decisions and actions, any internal struggles, doubts, or conflicting emotions the character experiences, the external challenges, adversaries, or situations the character encounters. A character dossier is a valuable reference tool for writers as it ensures consistency in character portrayal and helps to explore the character's depth and complexity. It enables writers to make informed choices about how the character reacts to the events in the story, ensuring that their actions and decisions remain true to their established traits, history, and motivations. After you finish drafting the character development dossier, you will write a summarized character description. This description will be used for casting calls. It's essential to have a summarized character description for casting calls. It's a powerful tool to help actors grasp the essence of the role quickly, streamlining the audition process. This snapshot conveys the character's depth and complexity, providing a solid foundation for actors to embody the character effectively. If you're finding this character breakdown valuable or have more questions about character development, let's continue the conversation in the comment section below. And if you're enjoying this content and finding it valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on your notifications to stay updated with my short film journey. Now, writing a compelling character for a one-person short film like The Cost of Silence is a unique challenge, but it can be incredibly engaging if done right. The key is to create a character who not only captivates the audience, but also drives the entire narrative. Here's how to do it. Start by crafting a character who is multi-dimensional. This means giving them a range of emotions, flaws, and strengths. The character should feel like a real person with relatable qualities. Make sure the character is relatable to the audience in some way, even if the character's circumstances are vastly different from the viewers. They should have qualities or experiences that resonate with people on a universal level. In a one-person short film, the character's inner thoughts and dialogue become extremely important. Use voiceovers, narration, or internal monologues to let the audience into the character's mind. This gives insight into their thoughts, feelings, and struggles, making the audience feel intimately connected to the character. Now, hold up now. Voiceovers, narration, or internal monologues can become a crutch. Remember to show, don't tell. How can you convey those inner thoughts through emotions, sound, and visuals? I didn't use any of those crutches in my short film, okay? Visual storytelling becomes crucial when there's only one character. The character's actions, expressions, and body language should convey a significant portion of the story. Use cinematography and framing to emphasize the character's emotions and actions. Surprise the audience by subverting their expectations. Create moments where the character does something unexpected or where the story takes an unexpected turn. This can be a powerful way to keep the audience engaged. Now, in a one-person short film, the character is not just a vessel for the story. They are the story. By creating a character with depth, relatability, and a compelling journey, you can keep the audience engaged and emotionally invested in the film from start to finish. So there you have it, folks. Character development is the heart and soul of your film, and it's the key to creating a story that truly resonates. If you made it this far in the video, please share this affirmation in the comments. My characters are unforgettable. Also, if you found this video insightful, make sure to show your appreciation by hitting that like button and leaving a comment. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and enable those notifications to stay up to date with the rest of my journey in shooting a short film by yourself. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.